Hello Scott, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for this 2013 Artic Cat FX1100 Turbo, 3077 kilometers, and price is $82.88 plus HST and license. Artic Cat is running perfect. Everything is been taken care of up to now, so very clean. On the track they have the scrapers, ice scraper, and very clean. Hit the grips, reverse. So basically the machine is running perfect. Store this compartment over here and the 12 volts outlet. If you have more questions, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and the unit is available. Thank you.